In the blanks. Dash means combining two or more adjacent cells into one cell, making two cells into one cell. What is it known as? That is mean by merging cell. We have done this in the lab, right? Merging cell. In the practical class we did this merging. The heading we merged and made it one column, right? Dash option is used to hide a particular column or a row in a worksheet. How can you hide? Just click on hide. Dash means arranging data in an attractive manner. In attractive manner, we have to do formatting. Okay, color changing and everything. We have to format, that is editing. Dash is used to enter a series of number or characters in a specified range. That is known as autofill. Autofill is used to enter a series of number or character in a specified range. Next one, dash means arranging data in ascending or descending order. Ascending order or descending order, if you want to arrange the data, you want to sort it out. So that is known as sorting. Okay, in alphabetical order or in a new to oldest order, like that ordering you can do by sorting. Dash option is used to rotate text within a cell, that is cell orientation. Cell orientation. Full screen option is situated on dash menu, view menu. In view, if you are clicking zoom or a full screen, then the data or the spreadsheet will be shown in a full screen mode. State whether true or false. Merge and center cell option is present on the format menu. Yes, true. Merging is in the format menu. Text alignment option is used to apply color to the text. No, text alignment is not for giving the color. You can sort cell in ascending order. Of course, in ascending order and in descending order, we can arrange. We can sort. Sorting means arranging. In LibreOffice Calc, you can't fill a series of number. False. You can arrange. Okay. You can fill the series of number. You can align the data in a cell in different orientation. Of course, you can align in different orientation. Okay, next one, match the following. Left alignment. Left alignment shows, see this, all the data are here in the right side and here it is in the left side. So left alignment, go to left alignment. Sort in descending order. Descending order means Z to A. Ascending order is A to Z. So this is descending. Okay, Z to A. So write it. Right alignment, this is right alignment 3. Font color is this one, font color. Okay, color is given, RGB is given here, color is given, so you should understand it is about color. Okay, so sorting in the descending order and otherwise it will be A to Z, that is in the ascending order. Okay children. Next part is multiple choice question. Dash option is used to display hidden columns and rows. How can you find out the hidden things? That is unhide. Just click on hide, then unhide, then you will show all hidden items. Print option is on dash menu. Printing is in the file. Opening, saving, save as, print, everything will be in the file. Now, dash view act as a window to view a portion of worksheet. Dash view act. Which view act as a window to view a portion of worksheet? That is page break preview. Page break preview. Dash view is the default view of the worksheet. Default view, it is in the normal mode. Okay. Then if you want to view it in the full screen or in the custom screen, you want to change it. Dash option is used to display the total sum of the selected cell. Auto sum, we did this also in the lab, right? Auto sum, we had made the report card and all, right? Bold, italic and underline buttons are on dash toolbar. Bold, italic, everything all related to the text will be coming in the format. Okay, all these things related to the text. In the text, underlining we'll do italic, we'll do bold and also everything related to the text will be in the format. Now answer the following questions. What do you mean by autofill?
Answer number
Write the
1.
answer first.
The autofill feature is used to enter a series of number of character in a specified range in the worksheet quickly. In LibreOffice Calc, you can fill a series of numbers, series of dates, week, days and month. Question number 2. Write the steps to create a custom list. Answer. Click option from Tools menu. The option dialog box will appear. Click on LibreOffice Calc from the left side. Select Sort List. Click on New button. Type your new list in the entry box. Click on Add button and see your list on the list box. Then click on OK button to finish. Now use this list with the fill handle. Question number 3. What do you mean by cell orientation? Answer 3. Cell orientation is used to rotate the text within a cell. It helps you to align date in different orientation according to the user choice. Question number 5. What is mean by sorting? Sorting is arranging a given set of data according to ascending or descending order. Question number 6. Write the steps to format the text. Answer. Select the cell. Step 2. Click on bold, italic and underline button on the standard toolbar. Step 3. Select the required font size. Step 4. Select the required font color and select the background color. Question number 7. Explain any two worksheet views. Normal view is the default view of worksheet and fill screen option hides window elements in the show more of the worksheet and data on the screen. Question number 8. How can you hide a column? Answer. Step 1. Select the column you want to hide. Step 2. Click on Format menu. Step 3. Point to columns and select Hide. Question number 4. What do you mean by AutoSum? Answer. AutoSum feature is used to find the total value of the selected cells. When we click on the AutoSum button, the sum function is entered and the total value will be displayed in the cell.